Manora road alakon थोडे थिंग हें कोत्ताय एज्युटेशन कोत्ता म्हूण थ्रेटन कोत्ताय. आतां मानोरा रोड ओरोस जाली आमी फायल मूव कोत्ताय आनी हे पॉलिटिक्स कोत्ताय. कितको पॉलिटिक्स कोत्ताय तेंय सांगता. ते दाखोवपाक सोदताय की आमी एज्युकेशन केलें आनी रॉस जाल म्हणून. बट तेंका खबर ना नोव्हेंबर पासून हे हॉटमिक्स प्लांट कॅलिब्रेट जायना. एंड ऑफ नोव्हेंबर जातलो कॅलिब्रेट आनी मागीर हॉटमिक्स स्टार्ट जातलो. दॅट इज द प्रोसिजर विच हॅज बीन फॉलोइंग फॉर मेनी इयर्स. आनी तो कोण एकलो आहा तो बॉब मारता एकलो बारवालो आनी तेका बारो करता तेका आनी कांय कोण आनी दुसरो आहा तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तो जाणा प्रॉब्लम कांय ना. सी देर आर गुड पीपल देर इन मनोरा हू अंडरस्टँड बट दीस पीपल आर क्रिएटिंग कन्फ्युजन. बट फॉरगेट अबाउट कन्फ्युजन. वेन यू आर राइट यू डोंट हैव टू आंसर टू एनीबडी. मुगे स्ट्रेट क्वेश्चन माय स्ट्रेट थिंग इज दैट आई हैव डन द होल प्रोसेस, moved file table to table the file, got administrative approval, got financial section, given the work order of the work. In just 1 year, 3 months or 1 year, 4 months, not even more than 1 year, 3 months. It takes almost 2 years, 1.5 years to complete one file. For those who know. And those who are in the PWD know it better. And those who are in our line know it even more better. But I have done it because I understand the seriousness. Now there are two issues there. One is the underground cabling of balance stretch of Manora near the college. That is causing hindrance. But I have given them, even electricity department, enough of time. If they don't do it, I will not waste time. Let them forget about the underground cabling. We will do the hot mix because I can't, all the time, this people are just creating confusions, trying to show that I am not doing work. When I am doing work, when I work 24 hours, I am one of the MLAs who's on the ground. And these fellows are projecting that. But I have to answer because if I don't answer, it becomes one-sided. I am surprised yesterday on Herald, the so-called big people, they call it, got a press saying that the road is setting agitation. One phone they could not give me. I don't know what is this. I don't think, I'm not here to criticize anybody, but this is not fair. One phone call to me and asked me what is the position.